Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you'll be joining me in the kitchen as I cook some delicious yakisoba noodles. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
For this recipe, you'll need yellow noodles, 2 green onions, honey, oyster sauce, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, vegetable oil, matchstick carrots, pickled ginger, thick cut bacon, half of an onion, and 3 cabbage leaves. You'll need about 4 quarts of boiling salted water for your noodles. Don't forget to wash all of your vegetables. Now let's get to the fun part, where we chop the green onions, the yellow onion, and the cabbage leaves. Also, if you like a lot of the other vegetables, feel free to add broccoli or any other type of vegetables that you may like. Now let's add the noodles to the boiling water, and we're going to reduce the temperature to about medium-low. Stir your noodles. We're going to cook it for about 10 minutes and leave the pot uncovered. Now it's time to slice the bacon. Traditionally, pork belly is usually used in this recipe. The noodles are ready to be drained. Drain the noodles and rinse them with cold water, and try to get as much of the water out of the noodles as possible. The technique that I usually use is called the dropping method, where you constantly move your fingers through the noodles and just drop them, as I am doing right now. Now I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the vegetable oil to the noodles and give them a good stir to prevent any clumping of the noodles. Now we're going to mix the sauce by adding the honey, the oyster sauce, the ketchup, and the Worcestershire sauce, and give it a good stir. I forgot to mention that you would also need some white pepper. It all depends on your preference. Again, I love pepper, so mine was a little spicy. Now we're gonna heat a cast iron grill or pot with a little bit of the vegetable oil, we're going to add the bacon and allow the bacon to fry until the fat has started to render out. Always remember to clean as you go, guys. Now we're going to add the onions, the cabbage, and the carrots, and we're going to cook them until the carrots have a bright green color and the carrots have a bright orange color. We're also going to cook them until they have a crunch, not too soft. Now let's start adding the noodles to the skillet. We're going to try to do it in about 3 parts so that it doesn't overwhelm the pot, and we get to coat the noodles evenly with the vegetables and the bacon. Now let's add the sauce and toss the noodles and the vegetables until they're well coated. I should also mention that the stove is on a low heat as I mix all the noodles and vegetables together. I also added a little bit more of the white pepper. I told you guys, I love my pepper. Now here comes my favorite part, plating. We're gonna garnish with a little bit of green onions and a little bit of pickled ginger, and this meal is good to go. I hope you give this recipe a try, guys. It was amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post. Bye!